Soccer Mom season.
You listen here, buddy. You're gonna listen good. How are you gonna make the greatest comeback of your life? This video is for those that's dealing with hard times, loads of self-doubt, but got plenty of potential. You got potential to change the world, and here you are sitting in your fucking room depressed as hell. Why is that? It's because people keep hurting you. People keep disappointing you. Or is it you look in the mirror and you disappoint yourself? Are you gonna keep living a miserable person, or are you gonna change your life? This right here is gonna be the golden tidbits to change your life. First things first is look at yourself in your current situation. What's your environment like? What are you doing to contribute to your future? What habits are you doing? You know, there's certain things you have to understand about yourself in order to level up. Are you dealing with certain things that's bothering you? You keep hanging out with the wrong crowd. There's so many things. At the end of the day, you're distracted. You're distracted, and you gotta limit all those distractions. The biggest and most important thing is self-doubt. Self-doubt is one of the biggest things that holds all of us back. I'm gonna give you all the golden tidbits right here, but you probably doubt yourself to even start. You doubt yourself. That's the biggest thing that holds you back from greatness. It's the number one thing that's holding you back, is you doubt yourself. You're insecure about yourself. But aren't you tired of it? Aren't you tired of being tired? Understand your current situation right here, right now, what you're dealing with. Once you finally understand that, start to take notes of what's your goals. You know what I'm saying? What do you want? What do you visualize yourself doing in the next year, 5 years, 10 years? Time on this world is small, and you out here worrying about what this person thinking about you, what that person way over there thinking about you. You letting all these other people dictate your own decisions, but without you dictating your own. This is coming from someone that understands. I was the people's pleaser at one point in time. I sit here, I was scared to upset anybody. So I go far and beyond for these folks. For what? It's draining, really. That's what you have to understand, bro. If you in a point in your life where you're not happy where you at, that's when you gotta pick yourself up and go ahead and chase for your dreams and your goals. That's when you gotta pick up that notebook, that piece of paper, whatever you need to write this stuff down, because you gotta jot this down. You gotta write these goals down. You gotta put it somewhere where you see it every single day to consistently remind you that, hey, I'm hungry for this goal. I'm going to chase for it. The ultimate thing that's hard for everybody is to take action. You got the plans. You got everything ready, right? You got it all ready, right? You all motivated. You ready to put in that work, but you never take action. You never take action. And why is that? Doubting yourself, aren't you? You doubting yourself, aren't you? Buster, you better stop it, because you got talent. You got potential. And here you are, wasting your life doubting yourself. You sitting here, oh, I'm gonna put it off a week. I'll start Monday. Then Monday comes, you still ain't started. That's why I always talk about realistic goals. Once you establish those realistic goals, take action now. You ain't gonna sit here and wait till tomorrow. You're not gonna wait till the next week. You ain't gonna wait till next month. You gonna start this shit now. When you gonna finally wake up and realize that you got potential? And I mean, everybody do. You know, I didn't think I had potential to become the person I am today, and who I'm sending it off to be. I know I'm grinding my ass off daily to become that dude. I sit here and waste all my time being a depressed teenager. I sit here try to go far and beyond for people that just keep bleeding me dry. That's when you gotta sit here and become selfish. Stop caring what people think about you and go ahead and chase for your goals and your ambitions. But you have to take action. You're never going to take action, bro. You're always pushing that shit off because you procrastinate. You don't believe in yourself. You don't believe in those goals. You don't believe you can make yourself out of anything. That's the biggest thing. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself once you start these goals. You consistently hating yourself is what's holding you back from becoming the best version of yourself. In order to have the greatest comeback, is to finally love you. Nobody's going to love you more than you. Once you start taking that action, things going to start changing into the better. Things going to start coming. Things going to start manifesting. But that's because you never gave up. You kept chasing. You kept going. For me, there was times I literally gave up on myself, man. I really did. I said, fuck it. I ain't think I was this and that. Even in my best shape. You're going to have ups and downs once you chase it for your dreams. But know this. Are you going up with it? Or are you crashing down with it? We want to stay away from crashing down. We want to keep on going like that. Like that, nigga. This generation is full of negativity, depression, and a lot of hate. I'm going to be one of the few that's going to sit here and steer people in the right direction. That's where you got to go into your soul and fight your inner demons. You have to fight your inner demons. To fight those inner demons, you got to face reality instead of keep on chasing the outside gratification. Instead, you got to fight your demons head on because nobody else going to help you other than yourself. Learn to love yourself, and that's the greatest comeback of them all. You finally respect yourself and you love yourself. And nobody's going to tell you otherwise. Nobody's going to tell you otherwise. You focus on yourself. You focus on getting your life better. You focus on respecting yourself. Not a lot of people respect themselves anymore. That's very, unheard of. What? You respect yourself? You crazy as hell, bruh. Because at the end of the day, who's going to love you? It's you. Once you're alone, who's going to be there for you? You got to stand on your own 2 feet. Even when shit becomes like this all-time worst, you got to know how to stand on your own 2 feet without giving up. Don't you dare give up. A lot of people give up on themselves. But once you believe in yourself, that's the best comeback of them all. Once you finally get to your dreams, got that dream job, that dream career, that dream physique, the dream mindset, the ultimate confidence, the self-love, mental peace. Mental peace over anything, man. That's what you want. You want peace in your own mind, in your own body, in your own heart. Eliminate those that keep on distracting you and steering you into the wrong direction. Stop going to the bottom. Stop going to Mickey D's or picking up those cookies just because you feel miserable and someone hurt your feelings. You got to sit here and eat your feelings. Put the cookies down. The cookies down. The cookies down. The cookies down. I'm tired of you, bro. I'm not tired of you. I'm just playing with you, bro. I'm tired of your negative mindset. I ain't made out to be, I won't be this and that and the third, Let's be realistic. As you being unrealistic. First of all, establish who you are, what you're dealing with currently. Set these goals up so that way you can become the person you truly want to be. And ultimately, you'll finally love and respect yourself. And that is the greatest comeback of all time. That goes with weight loss, getting to the best shape in your life, finding your dream job, finding your wife, your husband, whatever. At the end of the day, you finally connected mind, body, soul.